I'm Shivani from Learn English with Shivani. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got another pair of words for you. One is compliment and the other is compliment. Both are pronounced the same way. But you must have noticed that one is spelt with an I in it and the other is spelt with an E in it, right? But they are pronounced the same way. They are homophones. What about their meanings? Meanings are very different. So it doesn't matter while you are speaking, you don't have to be bothered at all. But while writing, you have to be very careful because their meanings are very different, their spellings are different. One is with an I and the other is with an E in it. There is one more similarity. Both the words can be used as nouns as well as verbs. Nouns as well as verbs. So let's take the first word first. Compliment with an I in it. What does it mean? When used as a noun, it is an expression of appreciation, praise, and admiration. Appreciation, praise, and admiration. And when used as a verb, it means to politely praise someone, admire someone, or appreciate someone. Who doesn't like to be appreciated or complimented? I, for one, I do like to be complimented. What about you? Just let me know. Do let me know. Let's see how they're used in sentences. Her teacher complimented her for her beautiful handwriting. Her teacher complimented her for her beautiful handwriting. Here the word complimented has been used as a verb. She got a compliment from her teacher for her beautiful handwriting. She got a compliment from her teacher for her beautiful handwriting. Here the word compliment has been used as a noun, right? When something goes well with another thing and they improve or enhance the qualities of each other, then they are supposed to complement each other. How to remember? Well, here's a tip. The word complete has got an E in it, and complement with an E means to complete. Isn't it useful? Well, so let's see how this word can be used in a sentence. The color of your bag is the perfect complement to your outfit. The color of your bag is the perfect complement to your outfit. That means the bag and your outfit are going very well with each other. Right. Now the word complement over here is a noun. Susan and Lisa complement each other. One is an accomplished dancer and the other is a very good singer. That means they make a perfect combination. Here, the word complement is a verb. Now it's your turn to check your understanding. Here are some sentences. You just have to fill up the blanks choosing the correct option. So, here we go. Did she just dash you for your dress? Did she just dash you for your dress? Which complement? With I or with E? I love to get dash. I love to get dash. Mustard sauce is a good dash to mashed potatoes. Mustard sauce is a good dash to mashed potatoes. The lace curtains perfectly dash the ethnic furniture. The lace curtains perfectly dash the ethnic furniture. Now let's find out the answers. Did she just compliment you for your dress? So this compliment is with I. I left to get compliments. Again, it's with I, compliments. Mustard sauce is a good dash to mashed potatoes. Now the complement is with E. It completes the mashed potatoes. The lace curtains perfectly dash the ethnic furniture. Again, complement with E. I'm sure you got them all correct. That's wonderful. So, how did you like the lesson? Let me know by sending your comments. We'll be back soon with another pair of words. Till then, take care.